What is mandrake root? What is mandrake oil? Hello, my witchy peeps and family. It's your sister witch, your high priestess Kathie again, and tonight I'm going to talk about mandrake. And a mandrake is the root of a plant, historically derived either from plants of the genus Mandragora, found in the Mediterranean region, or from other species such as Bryonia alba. The English mandrake, which have similar properties, also have properties in it that are considered to be toxic and poisonous. Some people say that it's okay to ingest mandrake in small dosages. However, I personally wouldn't do that. I am going to leave a link in the description box from a older lady who was an elder witch in England, and she's going to tell you some of the other properties of mandrake as well. And as we get into mandrake, we really want to talk about the magical properties of mandrake and mandrake oil. As you can see, I offer mandrake oil on my website, and I also offer mandrake, the cut mandrake, the American kind, that you can make your own oils with as well on my online store, spiritualsuppliesandcandles.myshopify.com. Now, some of the main magical properties for using mandrake root or mandrake oil would be to remove certain curses out of one's life. It's also good for protecting oneself from the evil eye, from jealousy. Mandrake oil is great for protection, any type of blockages that you may have. It's good for that, for removal, blockage removal, crossing. It's also great for fertility work. If you're trying to get pregnant or if you're trying to help a client conceive, it's great for fertility work. It's great for love attraction spells. It's really great to enhance a spell that you already have. If you just want to put certain touches up on it, write it in your book of shadows or your grimoire. Use it in your recipes, your spell recipes. You can use mandrake for good and bad, whatever you may want to call it, whatever type of work that you're doing. Mandrake root is good for that. You just want to make sure that you do your research and apply it correctly. So with that, I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If you would like to contact me, please contact me at highpriestesskathie@yahoo.com or highpriestesskathie@gmail.com. And I thank you all for watching. I have information in the description box below. Okay? Bye-bye, you guys.